Right, I'm going to show you number 12 now. First, after we've created our starting block, we go Start 2D Sketch. And since there's really only one way to do this, it's going to be on the top. Okay, and the reason is because we have those diagonals that kind of looks like a puzzle piece that we're cutting out. Okay, so once we're on the top, a couple ways we could do it. The easiest way, I think, is going with our line tool. Okay, so from each corner, we're going to draw a line up 1 inch. Okay. We can hit escape, grab our line tool again. From the top of that line, we're going to click and make sure the line's straight, and we're going to draw another 1 inch line. 1, enter, and close that triangle. Okay. A different way we could do it is also if we just get our rectangle tool from the other corner, click, and we're going to do a 1 by 1 inch square. Okay, so if you notice 1, 1, 1, 1. Now the only thing we have to do to this square though is cut it in half. Right click, finish sketch, extrude, click this, and we need to make sure that we click this part, go the other way with it, and click OK. And now we have that puzzle piece. So we did it by just using our line tool, up 1, over 1, connect, or you can draw a 1 by 1 inch box and cut that in half. That's number 12.